Imagine this. Tonight, you crawl into bed and nothing happens. You stare at the ceiling. No yawning, no drowsiness, no sleep. And tomorrow, same thing. Next week, same thing. Would humans just stop sleeping forever? Sleep takes up almost a third of our lives, and honestly, it feels kind of inefficient. 8 hours a night doing absolutely nothing? What if we could get rid of that? No more alarm clocks, no more bedtime routines. We'd be awake 24/7. Sounds like superhuman productivity, right? Well, buckle up, because the answer isn't so simple. At first, everyone will be thrilled. Imagine suddenly gaining 8 extra hours every single day. People would binge watch entire shows in one sitting, finish their work early, or just party through the night without worrying about passing out. Restaurants, malls, and gyms would start staying open 24 hours because, hey, why not? There's no bedtime anymore. But here's the catch. Our bodies are still designed to need sleep. Your brain would start glitching. Within 24 to 48 hours, you feel dizzy, irritable, and start forgetting simple things like why you walked into the kitchen. By day 3, you'd hallucinate. Yes, you might see a pink elephant dancing in your living room. Sleep isn't just a break. It's like a nightly tune-up for your brain. During deep sleep, your brain literally flushes out waste, sorts memories, and repairs damaged cells. Without sleep, your brain would be running like a computer that never shuts down, overheating, lagging, and eventually crashing. You make terrible decisions, your mood would swing like a wrecking ball, and your reaction time would be worse than someone who's drunk. Sleep also keeps your body running smoothly. No sleep means higher stress hormones, a weaker immune system, and crazy blood pressure. After a few weeks, people would start getting sick a lot. Your heart would work overtime, raising the risk of heart attacks, and your body wouldn't heal from injuries as quickly because sleep is when most repairs happen. Basically, humanity would slowly turn into a planet full of grumpy zombies, not the cool movie kind, just really exhausted ones. Cities would completely transform. There would be no such thing as nightlife, because life wouldn't stop at night anymore. Crime rates might actually go up because criminals now have 24 hours to get into trouble. Workplaces would try to squeeze more hours out of you since you don't need rest anymore, which sounds like a nightmare for anyone who already hates overtime. And forget about art or creativity. A lot of inspiration happens in dreams. Literally, without dreams, we might lose some of our best ideas. Good luck writing the next Harry Potter when your brain is too fried to imagine anything. Here's the kicker. You wouldn't even survive very long. Without sleep, most people would completely break down within a few weeks. The world would descend into mass confusion, accidents, and eventually a total collapse of society as we know it. Sleep is so critical that animals that are forced to stay awake too long actually die. So if humans truly never slept again, extinction might be just around the corner. So as boring as it feels, sleep isn't a waste of time. It's literally what keeps us alive, sane, and functional. Those 8 hours are like your body's secret maintenance mode, and without them, everything falls apart. So the next time you groan about having to go to bed, remember, sleep is basically free superpower mode. If you enjoyed this what if scenario, hit that like button, share it with a friend who stays up too late, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending science questions. And hey, get some rest tonight. Your brain will thank you.